Hello children, just we are going to learn, let us untie a 10 in order to subtract. Here page number 53 is completed. Now page number 54. Here, see here, subtraction by untying or borrowing or opening out a 10. See here 22 minus 7 equal to 15. Here we have to untie 110 and 110 in tens column. Here 110, when we untie 110, then here is 2 units also, so it will be 12 minus 7, here is 5 in tens column 110, so here it will be 1. Then here 22 minus 7 here equal to 15. Now here 30 minus 9 equal to 21. How? Here also we have to untie 110, so 210 in tens column and 110 untied. We are untied it. So here 10 minus 9, here 1, and in tens column here is 2, so here it will be 2. So 30 minus 9 equal to 21. Here 21. So here 63 minus 6 equal to 57. Here in tens column 5, in units column 13 minus 6, here it will be 7. In tens column here is 5, so here is it will be 0. So 5 minus 0, here it will be 5. So 63 minus 6 he equal to 63 minus 6 equal to 57. So here untie or borrow or open out a 10 and subtract. So here 23 minus 5 equal to 18. Here in tens column 1 and 110 is untied. So here here is 3 unit also, so 110 plus 3 unit, here 13 minus 5, here is 8, and 110 minus here is 0, 110 minus 0, here it will be 10, it will be 1, so it is 18. Here 23 minus 5 equal to 18. So here 25 minus 8 equal to 17. So here in tens column 1, here untied 110, we have untied it 110, so it will be 15. Here 5 units is here, so 1 untied 10, here 10 plus 5, here is 15 minus 8, here is 7, and 110 plus here is 0, so 110 minus 0, here is 1. In this way here is also 37 minus 9 equal to 28. Here is in tens column 2 and 1 untied 10s, 1 untied 10, here is 10 plus 7, here is 7, so here is 17 minus 9, here it will be 8, and 2 minus 0, here is not any tens, so here is 0 minus 2 minus 0 is here is 2. In this way here it will be 28. So in this way let us present the subtraction 35 minus 17 as shown below. Here tens, in tens column 3 tens, and units column here is 5, 3 tens and 5 units. So here it will be 2 tens, here it is 2 tens and one untied 10, one untied 10, so it will be 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here is 5 unit also, so 1 2 3 4 5, so it is 15. Now we have to subtract here 3 in tens column 3, here in units column 5, so one untied tens, so here it will be 15, and here remaining 2 here 15 minus 7, here it will be 8, and 2 minus 1, here it will be 1, so it is 18. In this way, here your lesson ends. You have to like, subscribe and share it. Thanks a lot for watching. Next lesson, next day, see you again. Okay.